tea. The milkman, the paper boy, evening TV. Did I get delivered here? Somebody tell me, please. This old world.
Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing for a moment of silence.
Good morning! Today is Wednesday, March 9th, 2022, and it's a day 5. For lunch today, we have a bacon turkey Bravo sandwich and a spinach craisin salad with an apple.
In guidance news, hey, check out the email you got from Mrs. Bioki about the new live industry chats coming in March. The next chat is tomorrow, Thursday, March 10th, and it's a day 6th at 11 a.m. and it's about how to become an influencer. I obviously know a little something about that because I'm TikTok famous.
He's mullet man!
The next chat is Tuesday, March 15th. It's a day 2 at 11 a.m. and it's about data security and privacy. See your email for other chats.
Nice. In general information, Mr. SHS is coming back. The Student Council is organizing a Mr. SHS competition that is taking place on Friday, March 25th from 5 to 8 p.m. If any high school boys are interested in participating, please mosey on over to Mr. Stamos' room during advisory or after school. The deadline for signing up to be a contestant is Monday, March 14th.
For Drama Club news, Drama Club meets today after school in Mr. Loss's room.
Have you looked at the newspaper recently? I have because I'm in journalism class. Check out the latest stories including Mr. Friend's retirement and the search for his replacement.
There will be an environmental club meeting club today in advisory in Miss O'Neill's room. There will be snacks, all are welcome. Also, the snow has mostly melted, which means we are able to pick up trash again. Come to Miss O'Neill's room and borrow a trash picker to pick up trash around your house, neighborhood, or town. You can earn service hours for this. Send pictures to Katie Wright or Miss O'Neill of you helping keep our town clean to post our social media pages.
Connections students, there is a mandatory Connections meeting after school in the team room today to prepare for the Connections conference from 2 to 2:45. If you cannot attend, see Ms. Mel.
Mr. Lev would like to thank everyone for their well wishes, especially his Block D class for their amazing and fun party, which I was not invited to.
No shout out for video production. It's fine.
Video production.
Yeah. It will be a busy day for esports with the Smash team playing against Millbury at 3:30, followed by the Overwatch team facing Mattawacook Academy from Maine. Matches are streamed on Twitch and live in room 200. That's at 4 p.m., by the way. Make sure you give the stream a peek.
In other news,
What are they selling? Chocolate!
there is a chocolate bar fundraiser March 7th to 18th. It's $1 for a small bar and $2 for a large bar. The profits will be going towards the Friendly House, a homeless shelter in Worcester. Stop by during advisory in the cafeteria or buy some bars at the library. Do your part and help us raise money for the homeless by buying some chocolate bars.
Wow. Yum. Have
Yum
a
indeed.
fantastic day, Sutton High. Love you.
Everywhere you look, you could drive right out.